Alright guys, welcome back. It might be a super short video, my phone might die, but I can charge it, I'm at home. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it, thanks so much. Today's video, I'm just going to show you some more pictures. And I'm going to a different job site tomorrow, so that'll be nice. So that should be out of the rain, but I was already not in the rain these 2 days, except for the last 30 minutes today, which barely sprinkled, so that's been nice. So I took a few pictures. I basically worked on this water heater for most of the day, and did a few odds and ends in the little space that I've been working at the last couple days. And so yeah, I'll just show you the pictures and that'll probably do it. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Super short day. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Get some better videos hopefully coming soon. And if you got any questions or comments or any video topics you want to see or make me, oh my gosh, if you want me to make a video about something, drop a comment and I'll try to get to that. And check out the description for social medias and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I live stream or upload videos. Thanks guys so much. See you tomorrow. God bless. Peace out.